stuff over there in front of my car?
I don't know.
Man, so my day was cut short the other day when I was putting in the exhaust. So after realizing that my one of the sections of my exhaust didn't have the O2 bung welded on there, this was on Saturday. Actually, this was on Friday. It was Friday afternoon. And I knew everything was going to be closed because of the holidays, so I had to find a shop that was able to do it. A mile down the street from my house, there's an exhaust shop. And as I was driving by, me and my wife and my kids, we were going to the grocery store. And as we were driving by, I happened to see the bay doors open. I'm like, oh crap, let me go see what's going on in here. Let me see if they're open. So I stopped in. They were actually closed, but the gentleman there decided, he was like, hey, you know, if you got the part, you know, we can go ahead and put it on. We won't do it until Tuesday. But I'm like, hey, that's cool. I literally live like a mile down the street. I'll go back up and get it. So I was able to go home, grab the section of the exhaust, drop it off, bring it back to them, and they welded it on there. I stopped by when I got off at work. It was like around 4 o'clock. Stopped by there. They didn't even have it done. I'm like, what the heck? I dropped this off on Saturday. I mean, I didn't say that, but the lady at the front desk, she was like, well, hey, do you got a couple minutes? I'm like, yeah. She was like, okay. She went and grabbed the tech. The tech was like, hey, I can do this in like 20 minutes. I'm like, cool. Well, listen, I live right down the street. Let me go home and change, because I was in my uniform and it's hot as heck out here. It's like 90-something degrees. So went home, changed, came back, and by the time I got back, it was ready. It's welded on there. So well, it's not too bad. Not the greatest, but I mean, it's gonna work. So I'm pulling up to my house right now, and then we'll get started on putting this exhaust together and finish it. So really just gotta slide this in, slide the bolts in, tighten everything down, 3 bolts in, and I'm done. And we can see how this thing sounds. All right, here is the product. See it right here, welded on there. Not too bad. Could have did a little better job, but for all intents purposes, it'll be good to go. So I'm getting ready to install this thing. Let's get it. Got the matching ZZP full 3-inch exhaust all the way back. I'm digging those clamps right there, the hose clamps. But it's good to go. Now we can see how this baby sounds. Sway bar shouldn't be too hard. It's only 4 bolts. I think I just gotta slide this through the bottom by the suspension and just bolt these 2 in. And it should be good to go when you get closer. I believe they just go in these 2 holes right here. Success. ZZP install, then new exhaust, and the sway bar, rear sway bar literally took me like maybe 3 minutes. I think I had more troubles finding the actual sockets I needed for it, but that's done. Everything's done. We're good money. I'm about to take this bad boy out for a spin. See what it do. Hopefully it sounds a whole lot better, but I'm glad. I mean, if I didn't have the setback of the O2 bung not being welded on, I think it probably would have took me maybe about 3 or 4 hours to get it done. I mean, I think getting the bolts off the downpipe, or not the downpipe, but on my old exhaust, I think that was the hardest part because it was rusted on, and so I actually had to heat up on the top of the, I don't know if I can show you, on the exhaust. See, I have this 3-hole setup, and this top bolt is so close to the floor of the car, or to the bottom of the car, that it's hard to get this bolt out. So after getting it out, this wasn't even a tough one. The toughest one was the one on this one, because it was rusted. Like, it was completely rusted. I had to heat it up, use a little butane lighter, heat it up, and finally was able to get it to break. But yeah, it was killing me. And what I like on the ZZP exhaust is, since this part right here is just one piece, or I'm sorry, this is a separate piece from this part, when I put the downpipe back on, it was a whole lot easier. I connected these 3 first, and then this part, all I had to do was slip the exhaust clamp, the ring on, and then I was able to slide this, you know, sort of S-pipe, I guess. I was able to slide this one in there, tighten that down, then I went back and tightened this in. Made it a whole lot easier with this 3-piece design rather than with the Megan exhaust. This was, you know, a 2-piece design, so it was a little bit harder trying to work on that. But got it in there. Like I said, I think if the bolts wasn't rusted and all that stuff, and I have to go through the O2 or get the O2 sensor, probably, I say actually probably would have been like 2 hours, maybe 2 hours, and I would have been done with it. But I mean, it's done now. Little setback, so it's good to go. Definitely a deeper tone to it, because I got the exhaust without the resonator, so there's no resonator on there. It's just a muffler, but it is a full 3-inch back from the turbo all the way back. So yeah, I'm probably gonna clean it first, then take it out for a spin, see what it sounds like. Definitely a louder tone. I can almost hear I can hear the difference. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera. Try to go in first. Definitely louder. The sound is a little bit deeper. Yeah, definitely a little bit deeper. Like I said, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but I can definitely tell the difference. So I'm good with it. So yeah, I think it's good to go, installed. I'll probably do some runs, not on this video because it's already getting late. It's already going on 9 o'clock. Well, no, it's going on 8:30. So I just seen a nice little Evo pass by. I'm about to go chase him. So yeah, next video I'm probably gonna be doing the headlights, repainting those and getting those squared away. And yeah, that's it. So until next time, peace.